All right, so quickly I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do pancakes on the KUDU. Come in a little closer. I've got the plancha nice and hot. I can take some butter and just look at this sizzle here. So I kind of know this is exactly, you know, what I want to get this beautiful coloring on these pancakes like that. And I'm just gonna pour some around, let them get going. And you can see I've raised up the grill. I've got my bacon finished. I've got my coffee up there warming. I've got the butter sitting up there and the other pancakes staying warm. And now I can just watch this plancha and just look at the edges of these pancakes here. So I want this nice, perfect ring that makes this nice crust that the kids love. Soft on the inside, nice crunch on the outside. And it's so easy with the KUDU because I can just raise and lower this as I need to. So you just, you know, look at these bubbles and you'll see the pancakes stiffen. See how they start bubbling here in the middle? That's just a great indication that it's cooking all the way through, and then you can turn them over. And with the KUDU, you get this exceptional flavor, total control. There's, you know, no heat that's too powerful here. I'm able to stand around it, enjoy this on a cooler day. You know, the bacon's still finishing up. It's just so nice. And let's turn these now. So I'm gonna just start here and look at that nice color that I've got on these pancakes. This one could go a little bit longer, but that's okay because I can just flip it back over. Once you flip it, you want to run some butter around the edges on this side too. That's really going to help, you know, keep both sides nice and crispy and finished perfectly. And I'm just not in a hurry. So breakfast is so much fun on this grill. You can do so many things on the KUDU, but the kids and your family will absolutely go crazy for breakfast.